Hey, ain't you Coyote boy KT?
Oh, what's up? You looking for me? Hey, what's up with the Coyote gang? Oh! Hey, y'all don't know what it is. Y'all already know who it is. You know what I'm saying? Boy, Coyote boy KT now. Hey, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you better. Check it out. 17. Hey, what's going on, KoyotePack? It's your boy KT, and I'm back here with another video about SuperClean. As you can see, I got the SuperClean shirt on, SuperClean hat. I'm at the car wash right now with my 2019 Mercedes-Benz CLA, and as you can see, it has the dirty wheels. Brake dust is everywhere. Dirty car, and pretty much, if you see my last video, then you know if you want to keep your wheels clean and cleaner for a longer period of time, make sure that you go pick up this SuperClean all wheel clean right here. It's good on all type of rims, whether it's alloy, chrome, and all those different types of surfaces. It keeps the wheel cleaner longer, and it puts a special coating to keep the wheels from attracting all the brake dust. Now, when you come over here to the car, the engine bay is one of the key components that you want to keep clean on the car, because it controls everything mechanically and electronically. And so if you want to keep this clean, then make sure you couple the all wheel cleaner, and make sure you check out the SuperClean Tough Tabs cleaner and degreaser. And it's good for brakes, grills, and engines. And not only that, it also is good for like tools, driveway, marines, kitchens, bathrooms, stainless steel, fiberglass, and just different type of surfaces that you want to keep degreased and clean. That's what that's good for. So pretty much, when you want to use this cleaner right here, you just open it and just spray down the engine. Cut it real nicely like that. It can be warm and or cold, doesn't matter. Move this out of the way. Just coat it real nicely. You want to let that sit for a little bit, but you don't want it to drop to the car, so just spray it, and then as you're washing the car, then you'll come back and wash the engine. So let me get the water ready, and I'll show you what the engine looks like after I clean it. Now how you do, after you let it sit for a little bit, hit it with some water, and as you can see the dirt and grime leaving immediately without even scrubbing. Check it out, you guys. After washing the solution off the motor, look how clean this motor is compared to what it was when I first started. There's no spots, there's no dirt, and the dirt that was over here just washed off the car. As soon as I applied the solution and hit with the water, all the dirt just fell off the car. Look at that. Beautiful. So you guys, make sure you pick up your SuperClean at your local retail stores, and make sure you tag SuperClean and Coyote Boy KT and try the product out and tell us what you think about it. I guarantee you'll like it. Hey, what a day. It's every day, all day. It's more than the game. We are packed. So till then, y'all know what's fun.